Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best butterfly crafts for kids is probably one of the most enchanting ways to spark creativity and bring a touch of nature's beauty into your home, offering a delightful blend of artistic expression and educational fun that children will adore as they transform simple materials into vibrant, fluttering masterpieces, making it an ideal activity for rainy days, playdates, or any occasion where imagination takes flight and little hands get busy creating. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Butterfly Magnets. Unleash your creativity with this all-inclusive decorating kit. It comes with everything you need to create beautiful, decorative magnets. Designed for little artists aged 4 to 8, this set makes decorating fun and simple. They are perfect for party favors too. This craft set helps children develop important skills like hand-eye coordination and creative expression. It also boosts their self-confidence. Looking for a gift for kids aged 4 to 8? This is a wonderful choice for screen-free fun. Consider adding our flower magnets for even more creative play. For over 30 years, we've been creating toys that spark imagination and creativity. We are proud to be called the gold standard in childhood play. We are committed to creating high-quality toys that inspire young minds. If your child isn't happy, we'll make it right. Our contact information is on every product. What we like? This kit provides everything needed for a complete decorating experience, including wooden magnets, paints, and embellishments. It's designed to help children develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and creative expression. If you're looking for a comprehensive and skill-building craft, this is a fantastic choice for screen-free fun. What people say. Paint clean well and magnets hold well on fridge. We love everything Melissa and Doug. This kit kept my daughter busy for hours. The paintbrush was the perfect size for my granddaughter's small hands. The paint included colors were so bright and perfect for butterflies. Number 4. Melissa and Doug paint and decorate wooden magnets. Get ready to transform plain wooden shapes into dazzling works of art. This kit provides everything you need to get started on your masterpiece. With 3 fun themes, butterflies, hearts, and flowers, you can personalize your creations. Each set comes with multiple magnets to decorate. Inside, you'll find vibrant paint pots, a brush, sparkling gem stickers, and glitter glue. All the supplies are ready for you to dive in and decorate. Looking for a fun activity? This is ideal for birthday parties as a craft and a take-home favor. It's also a fantastic way to spend a rainy afternoon. This engaging craft kit is designed for children aged 4 and older. It's a wonderful way for them to express their creativity and develop fine motor skills. You'll have a total of 12 magnets to decorate across the different sets. Let your imagination run wild as you design each one. What we like? You get a generous pack of 12 wooden magnets featuring butterflies, hearts, and flowers, offering great variety. It comes with all the necessary decorating supplies like paint, gem stickers, and glitter glue. If you want a craft kit that offers multiple designs and plenty of decorating fun for a group or for extended solo play, this is ideal. What people say. These are super cute and have little add-ons that come with them. The magnets are already on the back, so there is no having to glue them yourself. It's cute that it comes with gems and glitter glue. Love that they are magnets for practical use when you're done. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Stained Glass Butterfly Kit. Unleash your creativity with this fun and easy art kit. Simply peel and press the colorful stickers onto the grooved frame to bring your masterpiece to life. Once completed, hang your beautiful stained glass butterfly in a sunny window. Watch as it shimmers and glows, filling your room with vibrant color. The stickers feature realistic textures, including bubbles and swirls, adding depth and visual interest to your creation. It's a truly unique art experience. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a ready-to-hang cord and a suction cup for easy display. No additional supplies are required. Beyond the fun, this activity helps develop essential skills. It enhances concentration, fine motor skills, and hand-eye coordination in a playful way. What we like? This craft creates a beautiful luminous art piece that shimmers in the light, mimicking stained glass. It uses a simple peel and press sticker technique, making it easy for little hands. If you love the idea of creating decorative art that can be displayed proudly in a window, this is the perfect, mess-free option. What people say. Quick and easy with little need for supervision. Once done, they are quite pretty in the window. It also casts a gorgeous rainbow on the windowsill and floor when the sun hits it, which is very bright and adds a bit of whimsy to a room. Number 2. Creativity for Kids Butterfly Fairy Lights Kit. Discover the magic of creating your very own glowing night light. This kit lets you design a dreamy scene with butterflies, flowers, and sparkles that shines day or night. Inside, you'll find everything needed to craft your DIY fairy light. Arrange beautiful elements like translucent butterflies, flowers, and gemstones to bring your magical scene to life. This relaxing activity encourages calm focus and creativity. As you decorate, you'll naturally build fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Once finished, your creation becomes a unique room accent or a gentle night light. It glows softly with fairy lights and features glow-in-the-dark details for extra magic. Designed by experts in creative play since 1976, this kit inspires imagination and builds confidence. Enjoy hands-on fun that turns screen-free time into an adventure. This craft kit features kid-friendly LED lights, making it safe for creative play and gentle room decor. It's a trusted choice for hours of imaginative fun. What we like. This kit allows kids to create a magical, glowing night light with a dreamy fairy scene. It involves layering translucent butterflies, flowers, and sparkles inside a globe with LED fairy lights. If you're looking for a craft that doubles as enchanting room decor and a gentle night light, this is a wonderful choice for imaginative play. What people say. My 4-year-old granddaughter and I created a beautiful fairy globe which took us approximately an hour to assemble. The ball is plastic versus glass, so it isn't as fragile as it looks. It requires batteries, so be sure to have those ready. Number 1. Skillmatics Foil Fun, Bugs and Butterflies. Unleash your child's creativity with this enchanting, mess-free foil art activity. They can craft beautiful pictures of bugs and butterflies, sparking hours of imaginative fun. This kit comes with over 250 foam stickers, 100 colorful foil sheets, 10 picture canvases, googly eyes, and instructions. Everything needed to create stunning artwork is right here. It's incredibly easy to use. Just pick a canvas, apply the foil with the stickers, and watch a vibrant picture magically appear. It's a joy to create. This product is recognized for its excellence, having won a Top Summer Toy Award and being a finalist for Toy of the Year. It's a proven hit. While they play, children naturally develop important skills. These include creative expression, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills, all through enjoyable crafting. Parents will appreciate this art activity because it's completely mess-free. Keep them entertained at home or on the go without any cleanup worries. This versatile kit provides endless creative entertainment wherever you are. It's the ideal portable activity to keep little hands busy and imaginations flying. What we like. This is a completely mess-free way to create vibrant foil art with over 250 foam stickers and colorful foil sheets. Kids can create stunning pictures of various bugs and butterflies by applying foil to sticky canvases. If you need a travel-friendly craft activity that guarantees no glue and no mess, this is perfect for keeping kids entertained anywhere. What people say. The butterfly crafts are easy for little hands to manage. The kit includes a variety of colorful butterfly shapes and decorations. My kids loved the glitter glue and sequins that came with the set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.